5G is taking the world of mobile communication by storm. But since the majority of use cases are built upon existing cellular technologies like LTE, testing your devices has become even more complex and time-consuming. To make the transition to 5G as smooth as possible, we need a simple and efficient solution. With its holistic product portfolio, Rohde & Schwarz sets the course for measurement of all relevant technologies from a single source. But we go even further. We deliver a single software for all areas of application. With CMsquares, we deliver the place of measurements for all facets of device testing. Everything in one place, the marketplace for integrated testing. You can access pre-installed test scenarios without further programming or customize your own setups to your liking. In CMsquares, we have combined signaling and non-signaling tests into one graphical user interface. Furthermore, this system is compatible with all common 5G testing requirements, including RF measurements, protocol verification, and end-to-end data testing. How does that work? Well, the CMsquares home screen directly guides you to the interactive mode, as well as the sequencer, message analyzer, installation manager, and other customizable squares. When you are in the test environment, the DUT is in the center of the 4 squares. Simply configure your device and network parameters to create your preferred 5G network for non-standalone or standalone mode, data services for throughput tests, RF connector cabling of the device, as well as required RF measurements. The second main part of CMsquares is the workspace. Following the same principle, the previously configured parameters will now be measured, analyzed, and traced, mixing technologies like LTE and 5G, as well as RF and IP measurements. This unique focus on individual user experience is what sets CMsquares apart. In case you want to repeat specific test routines in an automated way, this is where the sequencer comes into play. The sequencer combines 2 functionalities: the control and execution of predefined XL-API Python scripts for early R&D, as well as development of new test scripts from scratch with the help of graphical procedure blocks. Use the drag-and-drop interface to create your test runs. Automated color transitions and consistency checks then help you set up compliant test scripts. Finally, the integrated campaign manager runs and manages the actual test. By clicking the play button, you will be seamlessly guided back into the measurement in the workspace. The built-in auto-correction makes sure there are no inconsistent test runs. Let the testing begin. Seen a critical issue while running a sequencer test? No problem. Just pause the test and switch back into interactive mode for further debugging. All relevant data from your finished test run can be found within the squares of the message analyzer. The analyzer always runs at the same time, regardless of whether the user wants to check an RF measurement or wants to dig deeper into the protocol analysis. The message analyzer comes with an integrated UE capability view that collects all relevant UE capabilities of the device under test for the user. This is especially handy in case of an error. Simply open the respective message and analyze the report. After correcting, your device is right away ready for the future. No matter how simple or complex your job is, CMsquares is the all-in-one solution for mobile device testing.